Hello everyone, this is Kooldeep from Gestisoft and welcome to a new video on our citizen request platform. Today I'll be talking about how we can have standardized deadlines set up in the platform. So these are definitely used to define the standards when it comes to response or resolution time for citizen requests. And these deadlines are usually defined by the project team based on different parameters like the type of citizen request, the resources that are available, and so on. So once you get access to the Civio portal, the project team will be able to define the different deadlines and response times. So, for instance, let's open up one of these cases and take a look at the deadlines. For instance, this is a case that has been open for quite some time, as we can see. Now, if you click on the three small dots here and you go into the SLA, you will see everything that has to do with the deadline. Right now, as you can see, we've got the take charge option. Like this is the first thing that you will see when you come here. And what is that? This is from the time that this request has been received by your first line agents to the time that it is sent to a second line agent. So for instance, right now we can see that clock is still going on. So it has been open for over 200 days. Now, obviously, this is a demo environment, so I'm using made up fictional information here. Obviously, for your own system, I'm sure you won't have this high amount of days that this request is open, but it does give you an idea on the number of days or the time that the first line agent has taken to send that citizen request to a second line agent, especially when it comes to requests that needs intervention or a request that needs more specialized information from certain individuals and so on. Now, the next thing that I also wanted to point out is a delay of support. So we can see here at what time and when was the support received. And then the next thing is the first action. So the first response action, what does it signify here? It means when the second line agent is going to change the status or create a task for that specific case. So let's say, for instance, this is a broken street light. Let's say the second line agent, once they have received the citizen request, they are going to send it to a resource or create a task to resolve that issue. Then this will be changed here to let you see what was a delay in between that response. So let's say, for instance, the second line agent received that request on the 10th of April and sent it on the 12th of April to a resource or created a task for that on the 12th of April. So the first response sent will be 2 days here. So this gives you an idea on the time that the 311 agents are working on a specific case. And finally, we've got the resolution time right here, which is the complete process of the case of the request when it came to you. So from the first line 311 agents to the final closure of the case. So right now, obviously, this one, it is an example. It is expired, obviously. But for instance, let's say your first line agent received a request on the 10th of February and all of the resources have been sent a week later, and then 2 weeks go on, they do all of the necessary work. Let's say by the 20th of February, they have ended all work that needed to be done for that specific case, then your resolution time would be 20 days. So this gives you an idea on the efficiency of your teams and also on how your cities can resolve and manage citizen requests. What is a deadline when a first line agent and second line agent receiving requests and treating them accordingly. So this helps you to get a better idea on Civio and how it can really help you become more efficient when you deal with citizen requests. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.